Hey everyone, so today I'll be reviewing one of Rubbermaid's very popular essential items, their round-headed brush and holder. Since this is such a basic item, this review will be really straightforward, but as a bonus, I'll be showing you how to keep these clean after each use. So these don't come as a set, so you get the option to mix it up if you needed to. Here's the model number for the base holder. The base is designed so that there's actually quite a bit of wiggle room when you put the brush in, so it's not super tight tolerance. And then the brush itself is 15 inches long, and the end of it has an opening, so if you wanted to hang this up, you can do so as well. Both are pretty much just made out of plastic, really inexpensive, and in fact I find them even cheaper than non-branded ones, so that's a huge plus. It's a very simple, unassuming design that will match pretty much any white colored toilet, which I think most people would prefer, not having their cleaning products stand out in their bathroom. So then let's go ahead and put this to use. How well does this particular shape actually clean your toilet? Let's go ahead and apply the toilet bowl cleaner, wait a little bit, and then go ahead and get in with it with the brush. I purposely left my toilet not clean for a longer period of time than normal so you can see the mold and other gunk build up more visibly, but basically it was pretty easy to get the lower parts of the toilet bowl where the edges towards the seating area is definitely that hard to reach area, so you really have to make sure that you shove it into those corners. But even with the round-headed design, eventually I was able to get all of those hard-to-reach areas. And I don't know if you want to buy this for a more industrial use, so you're using the same brush for multiple toilets. I think the ergonomics of the handle will also play in a factor, so you want to make sure it's comfortable to hold for a longer period of time. And I appreciate that it gets thicker towards the end, so it's definitely a little bit easier to hold on to versus having to clench your fist on a very narrow stick. So you might not think too much about buying a toilet brush, but I think it's still worth picking up a name brand like Rubbermaid, and like I said, this was even cheaper than things I saw at like Target with no brand. It has good ergonomics, it's lightweight, it's well balanced, and the bristles are not just falling out. I've used this for quite a few months now. So again, I'll have the link in the description where you can pick both of these items up. Now here's the extra bonus tip I was mentioning on how to keep these clean. So obviously if you don't clean these or sanitize them, then it's going to start building up bacteria and you're going to see the orange or the black stuff build up. So you can do one of two things. So you can either use a very basic product or a very acidic product. So if you want to go the acidic route, then you pick up some vinegar. If you want to go the basic route, like I like to do, I just use bleach because that's something I have readily on hand as well. So I just pour some of that into the holder, pour it over the brush as well, let it sit for maybe 20 plus minutes, and then let it do its job. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel, subscribe if you aren't already for more reviews of practical items like this.